candidate number 7. Candidate number 7. The lady in black. Tawid tagahanga. Alright, can you please hold the microphone? Candidate number 7, do you have a boyfriend? What will be the first question?
No.
No. Walang boyfriend sa candidate number 7, guys, ha? Studying?
Yes.
What year?
4th year high school.
Where?
Maguli National High School.
Alright, are you enjoying the pageant so far?
Yes.
Indeed. Indeeder and indeedest. Alright, so good luck. Are you ready with your question?
Maybe.
Maybe. Just call me maybe. Mulik pa magtigos. Pick a number. Alright. Your number 1. Number 1 question. Ready?
Yeah, ready.
If you are to choose between beauty and intelligence, what will be your choice? Or what would you prefer to have the most and why? Kung ikaw ay papipiliin kagandahan o katalinuhan, ano ba ang iyong pipiliin or ano ba ang mas gugustuhin mong magkaroon ka? At bakit?
Thank you for that question. I will choose between beauty and intelligence because
Take your time, candidate number 6. Alright. Take your time. The floor is yours. Would you like me to repeat the question for you?
Can you try again the question?
Okay. Kung ikaw ay mabibigyan or papipiliin kung ano ang gusto mong magkaroon ka, kagandahan o katalinuhan at bakit? Ano ang iyong pipiliin at bakit?
Ang pipiliin ko po ay ang katalinuhan dahil aanin mo naman ang kagandahan kung wala kang katalinuhan. Thank you.
Alright, thank you so much. Candidate number 6. Wala na sa candidate number 6 ang question. Alright,